Man here, Michelle.
We're so excited to have you join us today on Sweetwater Cakes. Today we are going to make
Lamb
cupcakes. Let's hear your best lamb sound.
Bah.
Okay, the things you will need for this cupcake
is marshmallows, sprinkles, and cupcakes.
and frosting. So let's get started and sweeten the world.
Here we go, people.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is add some frosting to our cupcake.
Easy.
Add frosting around your cupcake.
The whole thing.
The whole thing. You got it. Now use your spatula and smooth it out.
For lamb.
Now we're going to get some marshmallows and we're going to put marshmallows all the way in a circle around our cupcake. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to grab a marshmallow, and I'm going to do this for you. We're going to take it and we're going to cut it diagonally. All right, let me take yours and cut it
Diagonally.
Yeah. All right, now feel this in. Feel how sticky it is right there in the middle? We're going to stick the sticky end into sprinkles, okay? So stick it in, and look. Yeah. Now you're going to stick that in. It's going to be the little lamb ear. Okay, now Cupcake, you don't have a lot of room left. I have a little more room, so I'm going to add a little bit more wool or marshmallows around on my lamb. Now we're going to add actually a little nose, and we have a little pink sprinkle nose, but you could use another little candy. Anything would work for a little nose. Now I always like to have some black frosting that's ready to go. I'm going to add some cute little eyes. Mine looks like he's closing his eyes a little bit. Can you add some eyes? Okay.
After this.
And now I'm going to add just a little bit of a mouth. Kind of going down.
I can't really have a mouth.
Oh, and I don't even think it needs a mouth. It looks super cute. Alright, all done. And our little lambs are done. They are so cute. Do you think...
Mine is falling asleep.
Oh, such a sleepy lamb. Would you rather have a lamb cupcake with lots of marshmallows or a lamb cupcake with just a few marshmallows? Oh my goodness. Well, we hope that you enjoyed this. Definitely give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, click that subscribe button down below. Have a beautiful day, and of course,
Sweet in the world.
Sweet in the world, and we hope you had fun. Bye-bye.